Hi there, and welcome to Eloquens.com. Eloquens is the leading marketplace to find and share ready-to-use tools in the worlds of finance, strategy, startups, marketing, legal, leadership and HR, and technology, with hundreds of thousands of users and authors publishing and downloading exclusive resources every month. As an expert in your field, an Eloquens author channel enables you to publish a whole range of tools to the world in just a few clicks. Downloadable tools, step-by-step methods, PDF guides, ebooks, videos, and online video courses. In this short video today, I will walk you through our online video course format. Publishing an online video course on Eloquens.com will enable you to generate a strong passive revenue stream offering a high price premium tool, boost your personal brand in a competitive market, and continue to build a network and a growing fan base. When users take a course, they will have the ability to easily navigate from one video to another and keep track of their progression. Download go-along documents relevant to each video, add video bookmarks when studying the course, just like when reading a book, and also easily access all the other resources that you may have to offer. To upload a new online video course, the upload process is intuitive and similar to that of our other tool formats. By enabling professionals to publish their best tools to the world, whatever the format or the objective, Eloquens is truly the all-in-one online publishing platform for experts of all horizons. Should you have any questions on your experience with us, you're welcome to reach out to us via private message on our Eloquens team channel. Happy publishing!